Hey there, marketers! Are you constantly on the lookout for innovative ways to boost your lead generation efforts? Are you ready to unlock unlimited leads with just a few clicks? Imagine having a tool that can do all the heavy lifting for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your lead generation with Lead Sniper's Google Maps Scraper. This tool is designed to make your life easier and your business more successful. This powerful tool is a game changer for anyone in SMMA, real estate, or any niche looking to generate leads, conduct market research, and enhance sales strategies. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool can provide you with the edge you need. And guess what? You don't need any technical expertise to use it. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. It's user-friendly and designed to make your life easier. The interface is clean and straightforward, allowing you to navigate through its features effortlessly. Let's dive into the use cases. First up, lead generation. This is where the magic happens. Imagine gathering contact information for potential customers in a specific area. You can target businesses, service providers, or any other type of contact you need. Business names, phone numbers, everything you need for cold outreach, right at your fingertips. Next, competitive analysis. This feature allows you to stay ahead of the game. Want to know what your competitors are up to? With this tool, you can gather info on their locations, hours of operation, and ratings. This data is invaluable for strategic planning. Gather info on their locations, hours of operation, and ratings. This allows you to identify gaps in the market and opportunities for your business to shine. Identify areas where you can improve and stand out. Then there's market research. This tool can help you understand the market landscape better than ever before. Identify local market trends, like popular products or services. This information can guide your marketing strategies and help you make informed business decisions. Use this valuable information to inform your marketing and business strategies. Tailor your offerings to meet the demands of your target audience. And let's not forget local SEO. This is crucial for businesses looking to attract local customers. Identify crucial keywords and phrases for local SEO. This can significantly improve your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Optimize your website and local listings to rank higher and attract more customers. This can lead to increased foot traffic and sales. So how does it work? It's simple. The setup process is quick and easy, so you can start generating leads in no time. First, set up the extension. Download, install, and unlock the potential of our Google Maps Scraper in seconds. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing tools. Next, open Google Maps. This is where you'll conduct your searches and gather data. Search for the area or businesses you're interested in. The tool will do the rest, pulling in all the relevant information you need. Then, with just one click, export all those leads to a CSV file. It's that easy. This makes managing and organizing your leads a breeze. One-click export for streamlined lead management. This feature saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on converting those leads into customers. Lead Sniper, your shortcut to success. With this tool, you can achieve your business goals faster and more efficiently. Effortlessly explore potential leads with just a few clicks. The simplicity and effectiveness of this tool make it a must-have for any marketer. Simple, affordable pricing makes it accessible for everyone. Don't miss out. Investing in this tool is investing in your business's future. Visit the link below now to learn more and start generating unlimited leads today. Take the first step towards transforming your lead generation process. Thanks for watching and happy lead hunting. We can't wait to see how Lead Sniper helps you achieve your business goals.